Welcome to Research Rocks Python web series tutorial number 5th, and in this episode I will tell you how to give single line comment episode. I upload 2 tutorials regarding this comment. Single line comment is 1 episode and the multi-line comment is second 1 episode. So let's check it out. First of all, opening in Sublime editor and then type first, save the file, and I save the comment.py and then save, and just print here print, opening curly bracket, and then type we are now working with CO comments. So first of all, I execute this line and the finish execution, and output are we are now working with the comments. So comments means what is meaning of this line. You can explain with the help of comments. So how to write comment hash, and then here time this is a comment. You can add here any kind of text regarding this. This is example of comment program, so you can type here, otherwise justification. So now you can add more comment or more description accordingly your logic and code. So you apply here also comment like this way. You can add here comment number 2, single single line comment, and just again execute command B. No comes here after using this hash, but I use here in this string hash. So again I run the compile B, so here hash comes, but this hash I am using in the string in double quote. So no change even color also. Here color is a different and here color is a different. This is the executable code or some logic are there in this line, but I explained regarding this line information in this comment. You can use any number of times in this comment, space, otherwise like type here you use space or not use space, no need for space also, but after you use hash and then something type, and this hash is always you use new line, otherwise after finish your exactly logic or semicolon, double quote, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, then after you use hashtag. So in this episode give you information what exactly comment and how to deal with comment, single line comments. So before leaving this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Stay tuned in next tutorial. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.